Hello, welcome to the video for this listing. It's a DJI mini camera drone, model 2, Mini 2. It comes with the following accessories. So it's a flymore kit thereabouts. We've got the blade protector and storage case, spare control knobs for the RC unit, the screwdriver, 1, 2 and 3 full sets of spare blades, a USB micro C charging cable, a lens protector, 3 cables for connecting to your mobile phone, so that's Apple, micro C and micro, some documentation, 3 good batteries in a really nice condition caddy. You can use this as a big charging brick as well, so you can charge up a multitude of items, and the controller itself again in really good order. Practically unmarked, and the carry case as well. I think that's everything out of there. I don't think we've missed anything. No. So yeah, everything's in good condition. The batteries probably will be about that level when you receive them, because obviously posting fully charged batteries is a little bit dangerous. We've got a really nice condition aircraft, 249 grams, so you don't need a license. It's incredibly light really for what's here, unladen with the battery. The blades are all in good order, the motors are excellent, and I'm going to do a video to show how it flies in a moment if we don't have too much gusting on the wind. Just add your SD card. A high-speed card will be recommended for doing the 4K, and the case inside there is in really good order. The case of the actual drone looks like it's never been apart. Screw heads all in good order. Sensors all look fine to me on the back there. Yeah, nice model. Probably about the best you can buy really for this sort of money, especially with the 3 batteries. No end of fun with a quality camera drone like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.